To show you the hands-on workings of MCP, let's take Mailtrap MCP as an example. It allows you to integrate email sending into Claude Desktop and send emails with a prompt. To get started, install Node.js and Claude Desktop if you don't have them already. Inside Claude Desktop, navigate to Settings and go to the Developer tab. Click Edit Config and open the configuration file. Alternatively, you can just run this command to open the configuration file. Open the Mailtrap MCP GitHub page, copy the configuration and paste it into your local configuration file. Edit the configuration, adding your Mailtrap API token and a sender email address. Use an address with a verified sending domain in Mailtrap so you can actually send the emails. Save the file and restart Claude Desktop. After a successful connection, you'll see the MCP tools inside Claude Desktop. Now, we can send emails with a prompt. Let's try it out. I'll use this simple prompt and hit enter. You'll be prompted to allow Mailtrap access. Click Allow for this chat or Allow once. As you can see, Claude is sending the email. But let's check the inbox just to make sure. The email has arrived. With Mailtrap MCP, you could ask Claude Desktop to create an email copy based on your conversation and send it for approval with a prompt, or send routine emails without switching between tabs or leaving your chatbot. It also provides an easy way to connect AI models with an email sending infrastructure if you're building an AI agent. Alright, that's about it for MCP and its basic workings. If you found this video interesting, you may also want to watch our other tutorials on AI. So, I'll see you there.